Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button. Tap on this button and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then tap on the login button and you will be asked to verify your identity by solving a puzzle. Once you solve this puzzle, you will be asked to set up a PIN for your account. Type in your desired PIN and you will be asked to enter it once again for confirmation. Once you type in your PIN for confirmation a second time, you will be logged into your account right away and you can immediately start trading. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Paxful wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.